Now, here are
your neighbor is insisting that those students should be allowed to sit exams. Of course, we are going to allow them to sit the exams, but I think it should be out of the negotiation between the students and the parents and the school. Why are they giving us orders when, for them, when it is their money, they don't budge to anything. They don't sympathize with the parents.
This one being the first day of the exams, I consider that we have made challenges already, but we pray that the challenges we shall meet shall be the ones which can be well handled. The candidates, I believe, are well prepared and ready for the exams. I'd like to assure all parents that all is okay and we expect the best from our candidates.